Chocolate Soufflé. Dark and intense in flavor, not too sweet, with a light and custardy texture. This chocolate soufflé is the perfect dessert to get.
Hello everyone, hope you're having an amazing day. Welcome again to Best Inspiration Kitchen. Soufflé in French means to puff up. Chocolate soufflé is one of the famous French warm desserts that you can find in a restaurant. And for many people, this chocolate soufflé is hard complicated. In this video, I'm gonna show you a couple tricks and I'm gonna guide you to prepare this delicious chocolate soufflé at home. But before we start, give a thumbs up if you like this kind of recipes and comment below. And if you are new, be sure to subscribe in my channel. Now let's prepare this delicious chocolate soufflé.
In a hot pot, 2 teaspoons of butter. Just let it melt. Add 1 tablespoon of flour. Mix everything until well combined. You see, now it's perfect. At this moment, I'm gonna add 1 cup of milk, just cold milk. Whisk and keep whisking. We're gonna bring it thick. You see, I have 100 gram dark chocolate. Gonna put it in microwave. Then back to my cream. You see, now it's ready. Perfect. See, this texture I need. Now chocolate is ready. I'm gonna add the cream. And whisk. Will be like a crème pâtissière, like we call it in French. Chocolate, whisk everything until well combined. Perfect. Now I need 1 egg yolk. Just separate egg white. So 1 egg yolk. Add it to my chocolate and keep separating the second egg because I will use 2 egg white. Just whisk the egg yolk with chocolate until you have a good texture. You see, it's perfect. Keep it inside and take the egg white. I'm gonna add a pinch of salt. Then whisk. Whisk until I have the white color. You see the color is going to change. I'm gonna add 3 teaspoons of sugar. See the first one and whisk. I'm gonna add sugar on 3 times. Whisk. Now I'm gonna add the second spoon, always teaspoon, and keep whisking. Perfect. Now the last but not the least, and continue whisking. It's perfect until you get this texture. It's perfect. Put on side and just take 1/4 of the quantity, add it to my chocolate and whisk until well combined, till you have one color. perfect. And now add the rest of egg white, but please this time just be carefully, gently mix it, because we want the air. Just like that. You see, it's perfectly done. Top. Now I'm gonna take ramekin, put some butter and some brown sugar and turn it. Perfect, just like that. And then start the second one. If you finish, then bring my cream. You see, it's like mousse au chocolat or chocolate foam. Just put it in ramekin and keep 1 centimeter on the top. You will get 4 ramekin if you have them small like I have. If not, you're gonna just have 2 or 3 ramekins. It's perfect. Just clean the borders, or if you want, you can put it in your fridge until you use it next day or for lunch or dinner. Now I'm gonna put it in oven 180 degrees for 10 minutes. Your oven should be preheated before. It's perfect. See, final result. I'll just add some icing sugar. Really something easy. You see, in 10 minutes it's ready. 15 minutes preparation. It's perfect. You have perfect dessert, soufflé au chocolat. I hope you're gonna prepare it at home and give me feedback. See you next time in another recipe and another video, and bye bye.